Why are processing cycles at petroleum equipment plants getting longer? Large flanges always have alignment issues with precision. And the problem isn't the cutting tool. Heavy-duty flanges and drill pipe joints require high standards for roundness and coaxiality, but conventional horizontal lathes can't withstand long-term heavy loads. Workpiece overweight, deformation, and vibration are the root causes of inaccuracies. Only industrial-grade lathes with reinforced spindle rigidity and widened guideway structures can maintain stability during prolonged heavy-duty cutting.